Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone for accurate checks. Make sure battery is above 20% and you're on the home screen. Once done, plug wired headphones or pair a Bluetooth speaker so you can compare loudness safely. Tap Settings, then Sound and Vibration, and slide Media, Ringtone, and Alarm up. This changes separate channels. You do this now because default profiles can keep one channel low. Raising each slider ensures you're adjusting the exact output you want to increase. Next, you tweak system audio enhancements. Open sound effects or audio settings and enable Dolby Atmos or Dirac, choosing the preset that boosts clarity or volume. If options aren't visible, install the latest Realme UI updates. Firmware can unlock improvements. Once done, reboot into safe mode to check if a third-party app is limiting volume. If safe mode makes it louder, uninstall recently added audio apps. This isolates the problem while preserving your personalized. Finally, you perform physical and fallback fixes. Carefully clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. Debris can cut perceived loudness. If software still lags, try a trusted volume booster app and test at low volume first because excessive gain distorts sound. Make sure to back up your data before a factory reset, which often restores normal audio behavior. If nothing works, here's one troubleshooting tip. If sound varies by app, clear that app's cache or reinstall it. This often fixes inconsistent volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.